The homeowners are a young couple that love taking advantage of the city. And they have a dog, super sweet. His name is Tristan, and definitely a part of the family. The space was a traditional kitchen. It was in a off-white, but more the cream tones with the granite countertops. So it didn't really fit their style, and they were ready to modernize. Fortunately for us, we didn't have to change the layout very much in the kitchen. The only thing we really did was relocate the microwave that was above the range. We saved on the backsplash tile. We were looking at possibly doing a marble, which can be more costly than doing a ceramic, but we found the nice ceramic tile, and then by putting it in a herringbone pattern, it created interest. We splurged on the countertop. We went with NeoLith, which is a great company and looks like a cement almost, but it's not, and it's very, very durable, and the clients absolutely love it. We wanted to keep the existing hardwood flooring, and it's a nice medium tone and it flows throughout the rest of the space. So to keep it grounded, we went with the Hale Navy Benjamin Moore base cabinets, and from there we made the uppers lighter, and then we decided to bring that Hale Navy into the paneled wall, which looks amazing. We noticed that the area behind us kind of needed to have something interesting happening too. So we looked at some wallpaper and found a nice graphic print that had a hint of the Hale Navy and made it all blend together. Because we have a whole wall of windows and not a lot of upper cabinets, storage was an issue. So by bringing in a 24-inch deep pantry, we were able to put in a lot of the food storage and appliances, slow cookers, things like that that you can get to whenever you need to. Originally in the design, there was a 45-degree cabinet on that wall. What we did is we removed it, and then we did a high cabinet that went all the way to the countertop. And that also allowed for some symmetry on that wall and helps blend everything together nicely. The homeowners are very happy with how the kitchen turned out, and that it flows with the rest of the space. And now they feel like they're coming home and they're ready to get in here and start baking and cooking and not eating out all the time anymore.